Good morning, guys. It is the morning of Driven, Edmonton, and we are on our way to the venue right now. It's happening in an outdoor covered parkade. Forecast says it's gonna rain, so I think we'll be okay. I can't wait no more. Said it was gonna be in an underground parkade at the mall. Okay. Hey, no, I see tents. How the hell did we get there? Okay, we have to turn around. Hey, look who it is! Yeah, Mercari crew, song in his crazy Mercedes. Alright, we gotta make our way all the way around. Driven. We're here, but apparently we're the first ones, so still gotta get situated. Gutu's here. Maybe I'll turn this off. How's it going, my man?
Good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, from here right to the end.
Basically got from this marker all the way to the end. Jeez, that's flashy. But yeah, this whole parkade should be filled by the end of today. And at least we're covered. Just me and Gutu are the ones with all the booth merch and the actual booth itself. So we had to come here first. Exhibitors were meant to come here around 9 a.m. So yeah, I think we're on time. We're gonna unload, clean our cars, and then probably post up somewhere to take photos before everyone else gets here. Memory card, he has to go buy one. In the meantime, I can set up. You don't need 4 people.
We both have the power up too.
Hey. Actually, this is probably one of our cleanest booth setups. It was a lost vlog. I haven't edited yet, but I'll get to it. And it was our show me and Gutu did in Saskatoon, and it was just us two. Crew member just got here. Larry's gonna be setting up right here with Annie's booth. So I'm just gonna move my FRS to this side. Yo, look what this guy just gave me. Chow Chow socks. Where'd you pick this up?
In Davidson at the gas station.
At a gas station. Like what? That's Gohan right there. Yo, appreciate that, man. Thank you. Thank you for thinking of me.
Yeah.
Or of Gohan, I guess. Boom. Plus, the rest of the cars are here now, but we still had to kind of figure it out. And Jesse brought the Supra. So I actually have 2 of my cars at a show. That's cool. Sweet. This kid's too flashy, man. But we got underglow, homie. Yes. Can do stroke too, motherfucker. You. That's epilepsy. Looks like everyone left me at the booth, but I kind of want to see the cars. Damn, another Supra. Wait, that's Han's Supra. Wait a minute. This Fast and Furious crew has all the cars. Everything from Jesse's Jetta.
Yeah, Jesse.
Got Han's new ride from the new Fast and Furious that never came out. It's pretty cool. I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling, 'cause I complicate my goal. So surrender is why I remember. They let me park my Supra here. That's more exposure. Because it was tucked away in the corner. Just because we ran out of space. Yo, this guy has so much wheel to clean. Yo, can I ask how big these are?
32s.
Oh, I guess they're right, man. Dude, I was like from across the room. That's a lot of wheel to clean.
It is,
Yo, it's freaking badass, man. Holy. Damn. It's huge. I can fit in it. That's sick. Oh, okay. Look who's here! Excuse me. Excuse me, Doug. Yay. and I think the show is almost over. So let's do that.
I thought that it was like open spaces, like
Yeah.
kind of cold.
A little bit. Check this out. Chrome and Lambo doors, man. I wonder who he inspired from. No, this is a really cool build. What? Okay, okay. And we got the Mercari boys right here. Always showing up. Showing off. God damn. Don't know, this is Mr. Adam's beautiful Beamer. Dang. Yeah, now she's all clean.
She got a little road rash on the way here. It's all good.
Battle scars, tasteful build, brother.
Thanks, man.
So Adam's part of ECU Works, and these guys usually hang out with all the filthy crew, so they roll deep. This thing is insane. Here you got the rest of the supercars. Pretty crazy, man. You want to be in a vlog?
No!
Now you have to. You're on the spot.
Am I videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
What the heck? Alright, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
you got an Instagram?
Yeah, with Gold Sky.
Oh, sweet. Take it easy, man.
I don't get it, I don't get it right. Is she with it? Is she with it? Nice. And should I
Oh,
be
I'm getting even more attention. What the heck? Infamous. That is nice. We're in the Fast and Furious corner.
simple things in life? You forget them pass you by.
Oh, dang, man. Crazy.
Oh, the simple things.
That's actually a really cool setup. It shows you which side is treated with their product and which side isn't. You can kind of tell. That's awesome. One last fill up at Petro with Oscar and Vince before we're heading back home to Calgary. Alright, this works. Alright, we are doing one last fill up at a Chevron before heading out. Yeah.
Do you wanna come to my place first and then you can sleep there?
Like now?
But the
After this, we're just gonna see how far we go. Like right now, I'm okay.
are you sure? I'm fucking falling asleep now.
Alright, you change your plans. We're gonna pass out at Vince's for a bit.
Pass out first so we could not doze off while driving.
Yeah, no,
You guys don't see Birdie anymore.
The plan was, like, we just finished eating dinner, but me and Gutu have barely slept these past few days. And we were just gonna do the 3-hour drive straight to Calgary, but honestly, I don't think we'd be able to. Even the ride up, I almost ran into the curb.
Oh really?
You probably thought I went like this to go around something. Dude, I saw another one coming up, so I made it look like that was on purpose.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay, we'll probably do that,
crash
man.
to my place first,
Yeah,
feel free.
if it's on the way to, no problem.
It's not the old place anymore. You
Yeah.
saw the old place, right?
Yeah, when your dad
you
was
were
there. This is it. Believe it or not, I've always wanted an E36 for the longest time. Now I got one. Just visiting Vince, because he says he has a couple of spare winter tires that he's willing to give me. Huh?
Are you okay with the backs? They're all wet.
They're all wet. Okay. And scene. Alright, we're back home with Mr. Go Home. Go home, Michu. Okay, guys, it's been a long few days trying to get our car gold, but a big shout outs to anyone and everyone who helped out in the process. Go on, don't leave me. Oh, okay. Anyways, thank you to everyone who came by the booth, say what's up. Unfortunately for us, it kind of was like the only car show for us Albertans anyway, in like all of Canada for 2020. And also what kind of sucks is it's almost winter time for us here. So yeah, it was pretty much the only show that I could attend. But it was pretty cool that Jesse was able to bring my Supra there today too. So Driven Edmonton,
Great success.
I am gonna end this video, guys. It's just been a long week. So I appreciate you guys, as always, for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I know time is a valuable thing nowadays. So for you to give me your time, that means a lot. If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button ticked, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Maker. What? Yeah. Hi. What's up? What's up, homie?